welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. I'm doing this wrong, aren't I? There we go! Hello! If you're new here, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. Spoonie is someone who lives with a chronic condition, and a stitcher is somebody who does stuff with textiles, but it's also a joke because I'm covered in stitches, just like Sally. Lots of surgeries. Oh well. I love to be creative on this channel. I love all kinds of crafting. It's true, the textile arts are my main focus, and I do teach crochet over here, but I enjoy all kinds of creativity in here, including animation. So today is my very first Pin Me Up Wednesday. Woohoo! Hence the ears. Yeah. Pin Me Up Wednesday is where all the mostly Disney YouTubers show off their pin collections. And this was started by the group called The Besties, which is De'Ara at De'Ara's Lounge, Shay at Disfy Life, Devaney at Disney and Devaney, and Stephanie at Ethereal Creed. If you do not follow them, you should. Every channel I mention will be linked down below in the description box. You need to check them out. They are amazing. I enjoy their channels very, very much, and they're very nice ladies. I've spoken to them as well. So, I'm really nervous because I've never done a Pin Me Up Wednesday video before, but I'm going to try my best. Please be patient with me. I am a very new pin collector, so if I do this wrong, I'm sorry. You might have noticed my little co-host today, Lady and Tramp. So, you saw the thumbnail. You might be figuring out what pins I bought. Should we go to the table? Let's go. Okay, so Mike Wazowski-Tot is here to say hi. He'll be my little co-host over here. This is my first Pinkalamode package. Yay! Okay. See what this says. Oh, just thank you for your purchase. That's nice. No invoice or anything, so okay. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to show you is I saw this on Sarah's Disney Magic channel, and I wanted them so bad. This is the Lady and the Tramp 2-pack pen collection. Look. Oh my goodness. This is so exciting. Okay, let's look inside. I know. It's Pin Me Up Wednesday, not Pen Me Up Wednesday, but it came in my package, so I want to show it. Besides, you'll notice there's a theme. Oh my gosh. Look how beautiful. Aww. You can see the sketch lines. That's so cute. Okay, that's that one. And this one is different. So cute. I love them. Yay! Okay, now the pins. The first pin I'm going to show you is actually not a Disney pin. It's a Care Bear. The little yarn heart is so cute. So this is Eat Sleep Knit, and you can order from them online if you are a fiber artist. But they gave you a little pin for joining their yarnathon, and so I just thought it was so cute. Okay, Disney. All right. So here are the two pins. You will notice a theme. And I am new at this pin collecting thing, so please bear with me. Okay, so is it this pin? Yes. So this pin I saw and I just had to have. There is not a more perfect pin for me in the world, I don't think. My favorite Disney character is Lady. It's a little pencil I got in Japan. My favorite Disney character in the world is Lady. I love her so much. And this pin, oh my gosh. It's Lady as a puppy with a sparkly pink ball of yarn. There is not a more perfect pin, unless she had been crocheting. This is the cutest little pin. Oh my gosh, look. So the ball, I don't know if you can tell, is sparkly. The ball of yarn does sparkle. Lady is so cute as a little puppy. And that's appropriate too, because I learned to crochet when I was very young. And so this is a Pinkalamode exclusive. Okay, I'm supposed to tell you guys stuff. Okay. Hold on. Does it say on the back? No. It does have the Disney license right here. It doesn't say how many they made, but it is a Pinkalamode exclusive, and it is so adorable. I love this one so much. So this was the pin that started it all. And I don't know where I want to put this. I know that people put them on like pin boards and stuff like that, but I don't know. I kind of want to have her with me. So I actually have a cork board right there. This is my tutorial station. And I might actually put her on my cork board so I can look at her every single time that I work. I don't know. I think that would be cute. So, yeah, there's a little lady. Okay. As I said, there's a theme. Okay. Yeah, Lady and Tramp. Also a Pinkalamode exclusive. So cute. I love Lady and Tramp. They are probably my favorite Disney animal couple. Although I do absolutely love Pongo and Perdita. But I think Tramp and Lady's story is really, really cute. I don't remember if I said this in the beginning or not. I am a Disney dog collector. So I will show my Disney dog collection one day. That will be a fun day. It's not large, but it's decent. And I don't know. I'm excited to show it. I hope you guys are excited to see it. So Lady and Tramp are like my #1 in the Disney dog collection. I have so many Lady and Tramp items that it's very exciting. But I had to get this pin. It was so cute. Look at that. Look at their collars. Again, I don't really have any information other than it is Disney licensed. And it is a Pinkalamode exclusive. So, these are my 2 pins. Sorry, I know this isn't a very big video, but I did order from Box Lunch recently, so I may have more pins in the future. And there's a couple on Amazon I saw as well. So, thank you so much for joining me for Pin Me Up Wednesday. Please go check out some wonderful channels that I'm going to link below. If you've never heard of them in your life, you are missing out. And I am super excited to continue my little pin journey. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. Please remember to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe if you feel like it. All 3 of those help my algorithm so much. And it lets more people see the video. So, thank you. Below, I linked some of my new Disney friends, and I hope you check out their channels, and it's also kind of their fault that I'm now collecting pins. I blame you guys in a very loving way. I also want to thank my friend Lemon, who got me these cute little ears. She got me these after one of my surgeries. Ha ha ha. My nickname is Sally because I am covered in stitches and I have red hair. Yeah. Please, if you're new to my channel, introduce yourself down in the comments below. I would love to get to know you. I love when you guys tell me that you're new subscribers and stuff. I love knowing that. So I hope you guys like the little slight shift I'm trying to do in my channel. I'm trying to add more variety, more fun, and more things that make me very, very happy, like Disney. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies, you can stitch it up too. Bye!